don't do that. It's
Then
dangerous.
make a sentence about
It's about nothing. Okay.
nothing I can't do.
Wow, that's very nice example. Nothing you can do. Well done.
one.
Perfect.
Other.
Galing mo.
Other. O N
Uh-huh.
D I
Ano? Monday. Monday.
A.
Uh-huh. Okay. Next word is what do you
We
want?
need to do it as a sentence.
Oh, use it in a sentence.
In our spellings today, we need to find the dot word.
All right. Okay. Next word is Monday. Monday.
Oh, next to dot.
Okay, Monday. Spell. Oh, go. Monday.
Day.
Wait. Oh, one. Go.
Hey, Monica, I'm
I just-
dito.
I don't.
What
Oh.
I love you, baby. Okay, watch this song. Oh, heaven is the place on.
Oh, dali na. Spelling na.
A hot dog day, a hot dog.
Oh, dali. Spelling na muna so we can sleep. Anak, mommy's not feeling well. I told you. Oh, go. Oh. Your first word is key. Key.
No, Mickey Mouse.
Key. Key
Mickey
lang.
Mouse.
Michael. Key. You have to say the word, the letter. Say it.
Key.
Okay, key. Spell key.
K-E-Y.
Use it in a sentence.
A key to open up
To open up.
your house.
Yeah? You open up the? To open up the? No, don't do that. It's a, I just said do. Oh.
Oh, don't wipe it on you sleep, my dear.
Oy. Come here na kasi laki ng butas ng ilong mo. Nalaglag tuloy.
Done ever. Good job, my boy. Now your face is clean and bright.
Oh, come here na. Dali. Oh, next word is donkey.
No.
You have to say the word before you write it.
Number one.
Oh, number two. Oh, go. Donkey. Two. Okay. Donkey. Do. Donkey.
O.
On.
K.
Donkey. Donkey. Don.
O.
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 Okay. And then key. You have to spell it again.
Donkey.
Spell donkey.
D-O-N-K-E-Y.
Okay, use donkey in a sentence.
A donkey is an animal.
Oh, come here, closer.
A donkey.
Correct. Not on the bed. Ikaw talaga. See how stressful you are? What you're doing. Oh, go. Next word is monkey. A monkey. Dali. Daming Dami mong patalastas, anak. Go. Ay. Shh. Monkey.
I got a blood in there.
Ay. It's okay. It's nothing. It's malayo sa bituka mo. Dali na.
Look.
Ay. I'm telling you, ha?
Is it a mole or something?
It's a mole because lakwachero ka. Just like mommy, I have a mole under my
Under
my feet, my right foot. See? I think it's here. Here. It's gone too much walking. No, it's nothing. Crazy boy, is it painful?
It's a no.
Oh, no, it's not painful. Then don't mind it. Oh, dali na. So we can...
I said, when I was said, no
Ano
more
I was said?
than my feet.
Who can say that you cannot have mole anywhere you want?
I don't want it in my feet.
Oh, where do you want it to be?
Just everywhere.
Where?
My head, my hands,
Okay.
my arms, and of my feet.
All right. Okay na. It's okay na. Finish it na so we can sleep na. Huy. Ay, it's a... Oh, dali, hurry up. Ay, ang arte naman. You cannot remove it by wiping it, crazy boy.
Why?
Because you cannot remove it. It's part of your body na. Dali na. Mommy's not feeling. Achuch, achuch, achuch.
I'm crying because I got a mole on my.
Huh. Did you cry when you got a mole in your on your shoulder
No.
and in your hand?
No.
Oh, why you're crying? Nobody can see it anyways. It's the best place to be.
Why?
It's the best place for a mole. Dali na! Mommy is sleeping
Why
na.
it went into my.
Mommy's not feeling. Huh?
Why it went to my feet?
I don't know. It just happened. Dali na. Ay.
I'm crying.
Don't cry na. Finish this, then you cry after. Achuch, achuch, achuch. Ay ka naman. Ay. I'm going. Isa. Dalawa.
I don't want moles.
It's okay later na after the spelling, then you can do something about it if you whatever you want to do. I'll go.
I'm going to cover it a bandage or something.
All right, you can do whatever you want. Monkey. Number 3. Okay, monkey.
M-O.
Mhm.
Like this one.
Yeah, but different.
N.
And
E.
key. Monkey. You have to say the letter I said. Oh, spell monkey.
M-O-N-K-E-Y.
Use monkey in a sentence.
Monkey is a gorilla.
Ano?
Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.
Gorilla is a big monkey.
I don't want my...
Oh, ayan na. Basta na. Too much number.
Bye.
Okay, next.
Oh.
Tst.
Oh.
Valley. Don't hurt.
Oh, go.
Valley. Number 5. Valley.
V.
Well, okay.
A.
Mm-hmm.
L. L. E. Y.
Perfect. Use valley in a
A
sentence.
valley in the field. Good night.
Ay, next word is trolley.
Puppy playtime chapter.
Michael, why you're taking so long?
Watch these puppy playtime chapters.
Okay, go. Trolley. Number 6. Trolley.
T.
Uh-huh.
A.
Tro.
L.
Tro.
2 R's.
Oh, ano? Oh, yes. Then, trolley, like valley. Uy, T-R-O. Ano yung trolley? Like valley, trolley. T-R-O. T-R-O. What spell valley? Valley.
U-A-L-L-E-Y.
Ayusin mo.
You're failed.
Yeah, you failed na. Do it properly na. Come on, go. Hi. Trolley.
Okay, cross it out.
Cross it out. Go. T-R.
T.
Uh-huh.
R.
Uh-huh.
O.
Uh-huh.
L. L. E.
Very good. Use trolley in a sentence.
Trolley to buy and dead.
Bayan, anak, properly. Anak, dali. Tika. Ay. Michael, you're taking long. We have to sleep na mommy needs to go to work early, diba? Remember? Oh, kidney.
Kidney is part of your body.
Very good.
It's kidney part of.
Yeah. And then, what does the kidney do?
To make it as a pee-pee.
You have to make a pee-pee. Go! Kidney.
Mouth, watch this. Mouth chews the put. Esophagus goes down. Stomach breaks it up.
Ano ba yan? Ayoko.
Liver cleans in.
Liver.
Bladder goes to small intestine. Large intestine makes out with a tooth and a put.
Okay, I'll
Okay.
go.
What's an intestines?
Intestine.
Okay, can you Google for
Oh, later na, finish muna.
Please? Say okay.
Wait lang, no, we have to finish this muna. O, dali.
Okay.
Ay, finish it muna.
Okay.
Kidney.
Kidney.
Kidney. Kid.
Key.
Ano? Kid. Kid.
Okay.
Kidney. K. Kid. What? How do you?
I.
Uh-huh.
D.
Uh-huh.
N.
Uh-huh.
N.
Uh-huh.
E.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Perfect.
Okay.
Oh.
Can you look for small intestines and large intestines?
Inside your body.
Can you Google it for me?
Later, because we're doing
No, lost, please.
Wait later now because now it's not really. I told you we have to sleep now. Dali, we have to finish it. After we finish your spelling, we'll Google it. Come on.
Okay.
Next word is hockey.
Okay.
Okay.
H.
Uh-huh.
H.
Uh-huh.
O.
Uh-huh.
K.
C.
C.
C. Key.
K.
Uh-huh.
E.
Uh-huh.
Y.
Perfect. Ay, ba yun anak? Dami. Use hockey in a sentence.
Hockey is a sport.
Well done! O, next. Ay ba yan? Sumasakit ulo ko sa'yo, anak. O, dali na. Next word is... What's your next word?
What's this?
What? Wait. Wait, what's your next word? Next word is journey.
Oh, yeah!
No, not the... okay. Okay, journey.
J.
Uh-huh.
O.
Uh-huh.
I. U.
Uh-huh. Jor. Ni. Ni.
N.
Uh-huh. Ayusin mo naman.
Use journey.
Use journey in a sentence.
A journey to go somewhere else.
Ano yun, anak? Turkey.
Oh yeah, number 10.
Alright.
T.
Uh-huh.
O.
Turkey. You. Anong O? Turkey. T-U. Yeah, before you muna. T-U.
R.
Uh-huh. K. Where's the K? Turkey.
O.
Ayusin mo.
Yeah,
Properly.
I did it.
Oh yeah,
Turkey.
properly. I do it properly. I'm not going to accept that one.
No, please.
Please what? Please what? Please what? Please what? What you're asking me to do? Please what? Do it again. I will not accept it. O, dali. Turkey.
On my bed.
Huh? What is it? I draw. Stop drawing in the bed. Bayan. Oh, next. Ay,
Okay, so
gray. 11. Gray. You say it.
R.
Uh-huh. First letter is?
Gray.
Spell it.
G-R-E-Y.
Perfect. Use gray in a sentence.
A gray cat.
Well done. You have to complete the sentence. You're just saying a phrase. You say, I saw a gray cat, or I have a gray cat, like that.
I saw a gray cat.
All right. Next.
Can you Google for a gray cat and the intestine?
Wait lang. Last word is parsley.
Okay.
Number?
12.
Okay.
P.
Mm-hmm.
L.
Ano?
R.
A, P-A.
E-A.
Par.
R.
Uh-huh.
R. C.
Anong sis? S. Parsley.
L.
Uh-huh.
E.
Uh-huh.
Why?
Oh, very good. Oh, use parsley in a sentence.
Sentence is so tricky.
What's that? Again, use parsley in a sentence.
A parsley is
What is a parsley?
a vegetable.
Well done. It's an herb, no? Herb or herbs?
Can you look for
Oh.
Google for a grey cat and intestines?
Oh.
Okay. First intestines.
All right.